Hello watch people, this is Hector from Winding Crowns, and today we have a quick little unboxing. This little box here. I'm going to take the liberty of just cut it, pre-cut it, because I wanted to make sure it didn't take too long. This was inside of there. It is unwrapped. Alright. What do we have here? Oh yes, it's Vario, guys. If you know Vario, they have that Popeye watch. Yeah, and there's an anchor right here on this side. Yep. Ooh, look. Oh, that's funny. Very funny. That's an inside joke with the Random Rob Discord. That's funny. Okay. There it is, guys. It's actually pretty cool. Let me zoom in a little bit here. Nice. I like the rounded coin edge bezel. You have a magnifier right below the 12 marker, and that's going to be your hour. Your minute hand is going to be that big hand pointing, and that spinach can is going to be your seconds hand. As you can see, the spinach can is turning. That is your seconds, your minute, and your hour. Very nice side profile of that case. Very cool. Yeah, that's pretty neat. Let's see here. Let me move that hand right quick here. See that? Yeah, see what's going on here. You see that? Like, say it's 5 o'clock. Let's say it just turned 6 o'clock. 6:15, 6:30, 6:45. 7 o'clock, 7:05, 7:10, 7:15, the way down, 8 o'clock, and so forth. That's pretty cool. I could see though, when you get to about there, if you don't know that it was 8, see it's 9, but before it changes over, you know, is it 9 or is it 10? You can't see. You'd have to try to look around that hand. I mean, the switchover is pretty quick, so hopefully right in that area you're not really looking at the time at that time. Like if you saw the time and you knew it was this and the hand is here, you obviously know, okay, it's about to be 11. So very unique though, very cool. Anyway, more to come on this watch, guys. I mean, I like the build quality of it. Anyway, it's a Vario Popeye watch, jump hour right there, pretty cool. More to come on this watch, guys. Thanks for being with me. Tell your friends about the channel. Hit the bell icon so you're notified of the next video. Hit that like button. It really does help. Leave comments, guys. Please leave comments. And if you haven't subscribed, then please do so. And remember, never stop winding crowns. Oh yeah, I forgot. I have to push it in on there. Now I can wind it.